Everybody, it's Sawyer HD, and today we're playing Natural Disasters, going right in, and yeah, with
no one.
Noodle,
Besides one of his
with
someone's. No one.
with Noodle XL.
Actually, no, we're not. Where are you? I see you. We need
got-
to all stick together at all times.
Where are you though?
I'm climbing up. No.
It's kind of bad going up here in a snowstorm.
Yeah, that's why I'm hanging under the roof of it.
Oh yeah, I should have done that. No!
Wait, how is it hitting me?
I died. Go somewhere safe.
I am safe.
Oh
no. I may have fell. I'm still surviving even though I fell off.
Where is it happening? It's so foggy I can't even see you.
Oh, I heard someone die. That wasn't me.
I don't want to die.
Oh no, I'm dying.
I don't want to die.
I don't want Sawyer having a lifesaver. Leave a like and subscribe for Sawyer.
HD.
Oh my! I literally can't hang on there.
Really? Apple a day saves the day? Not right.
How am I surviving? I can't move, but I'm surviving.
It doesn't save the day. It keeps the doctor
Sawyer,
away.
come look at this. Look what's on top of me. Nothing. The only thing I can do. I guess I can.
Okay, so.
No, I died. Mr. Noodles 1000. I hate when you're so close to surviving and then you die. Isn't that what you hate about this?
I fell from a high distance and I died.
I didn't fall. The wind killed me.
Lucky Mart.
What is that?
Oh, it's like a store.
Oh my! I'm lucky it teleported us.
I have an idea of what's gonna happen.
Where are you?
Okay,
Are you in the building?
Don't go in the building.
Where are you?
I think there's gonna be a fire.
Why wouldn't we go into the building when there's fire?
Or a tornado. Actually, not tornado. Or a volcano.
Stop jumping on top of people.
Okay, dude. Why is your health down?
Because I was falling.
Okay, so this is our plan. Stay like right here, and if there's a fire, stay out here and dodge it. Higher! It's a tsunami! Why didn't I think of this? How do you even get to a high? Oh, I see. What are you thinking?
Well,
are you actually kidding me?
I need to get onto the ladder.
I'm on it.
No, knock me off with your booty.
Hey! It's gonna hit. R.I.P. Okay, I have to go for something. Ah! I saw it! Goodbye, friends! It was good knowing you. We all died.
I died. How? I don't...
People on the roof survived.
How do you get onto the roof?
I thought you had to climb up the ladder, honestly.
That's what I'm concerned about.
Look at all the people that are actually alive.
Look at guys. I need to find you. Oh, I found you. I'm on top of you. What is this? Hey! Hey guys.
Do you like my Nike sweatshirt? Or should I say hoodie?
But you're not hoodie.
What?
That just shocked me. I was like, What? Oh yeah, guys, and if you see my name, which is
No, yeah.
Noodle,
No, it isn't.
yeah,
It's Doo-Doo John.
Oh yeah, it's Doo-Doo John. Cause trailer. Didn't we first do this thing?
No.
Oh yeah, we did. I'm trying to find you. How is the game not clouded?
Go in the house. Go in the greenhouse.
Green? I found you.
Mhm.
I'm gonna get on the counter. No. What is it? What even is it?
So you usually get in shelter because usually it means like shelter. You need in shelter because it's usually like not a climbing.
Sawyer, where are you?
Sorry about that.
Come back. Come back. Flash flood.
Yo. What's your
Before the
problem,
flood
man?
happens.
It was good knowing you.
Yes, I'm climbing up. No.
I'm climbing up to the tippy top. I'm at the tippy top. Look at this.
Whoa, it's starting. It's coming.
Look at me. Look at me. I'm at the tippy top. They're coming.
I'm at the tippy top. I found you. Wait, why are you with a girl?
I'm trying to push people off.
Don't push me off.
Somebody fell off. Oh no.
What's going
No,
on?
it's gonna fall.
Oh! Ah!
I don't think anybody could survive. How are those people surviving?
They're under hackers. I call hacks.
How did they survive?
That's impossible knowing you. Good to know you.
How? Wait.
And bye. Bye. Bye.
What are you doing?
Leaving.
Leaving.
Quit. That's crazy. No one can survive that. No one. Including me. Sir?
Central.
This sounds like... Oh, I know what's gonna happen here. Another flood.
No.
I'm gonna get near the hotel.
Oh yeah, there might actually be one.
Because if it's called Surf Sentry, the only thing that could happen is either...
Why is it raining body parts?
There's music. Leave
Uh-huh.
a like if you hear the music. And subscribe to Sawyer.
But I'm gonna make it so they don't hear it.
You're mean.
How about this? I'll give you anybody shout out who hears it. But you need to comment down below.
Wait, did the thing already happen? What is it? Earthquake.
Get outside
Outside?
from tall structures.
Oh.
No, it says earthquake.
Wait, why is the flood turning into glass? And why did that thing just turn into a ball? And where are you?
I'm over here.
Oh,
I see you. Let's stay up here.
This is weird.
And that guy. This
Oh my.
is easy to survive.
How do you die?
I don't. What's happening? Look at my
This is
screen.
a beach.
What?
Oh, I see how you die. You get thrown into the water. Oh my! And you get flung into the air and die. I literally flew 50 feet in the air and died.
I want to get up.
I flew 50 feet in the air
Yes,
and
get
died.
up. I want to get up
I
there.
died in mid-air. Sawyer, I died. Congratulate me.
Whoa! I nearly just died. I flew in the air.
I flew like 6,000 feet. One could say. How much longer is an earthquake?
I survived. It's way longer than this. Wait, where am I? Am I?
I found you already.
Oh, I see me.
I died. I died because
I see.
guys,
Yeah, and
this
if you want,
game is hacked.
if you want to see a hacker, just go on my other video.
Oh yeah, and I made a brand new video. And check out.
No, don't
Noodle,
blah
Noodle,
blah blah blah. Yeah.
And like and subscribe Sawyer HD.
Banana.
Banana.
Okay, no. Okay, you don't hear any music. Oh, it's in.
I'm gonna get near the hotel, not in.
I'm gonna be in it.
Where even are you?
I'm right behind you. Yeah, I am. I'm right here.
Sawyer, we shouldn't be in it. Let's be
No,
in
stay.
it. Let's be in it let's be near the stairs. Okay? Let's be in the near the stairs. Okay? Flood.
Hi.
Told you we should have gone up.
No, you said we should stay near the stair.
Oh, I nearly fell off. What I dislike about this map is you can easily fall off the stairs. Where are the stairs? Oh.
Mana. Stay on the glass. It's
The glass? Why would you stay on the glass? You're not on the glass.
look at all the flood.
Oh.
He's pushing me off.
Oh!
What the heck just happened?
I flew into the sea.
I flew so.
I flew like 6.
How does this work?
I don't know. All I know
Oh my
is
goodness.
that I hate floods.
Oh my goodness. People are surviving because they're hackers.
Just like.
Oh, it says no survivors. Phew. Like, how'd somebody survive that?
What if someone hacked and it said no survivors, but then someone looked down there and there was one person?
I actually saw a person down there.
There is a person down there.
I know.
He hasn't. Do you see him?
Is
He's right there. Point to him.
Oh, yeah. No, that's a fake person. Yeah, see? It's a volcano. Or a tsunami.
Oh my, why am I standing so
I don't know where to go. That's
I'm gonna go. I know where to go.
Where?
Up here. Onto the gas station. Hey! Can I hop in?
How'd you get up? How'd you get up on the gas station, though?
Hey! You ran me over.
Where? How?
Go up here.
Oh, I see John. I see the best place to go. If there's a tsunami.
John. I'm getting hurt.
John, brah.
Dojo.
Dojo, doo.
Someone flipped their car. If you're...
Get in shelter!
Really, shelter?
It's a volcano!
But volcanoes, you want to be outside.
No, but then all the pieces are gonna hit you and you're gonna die.
So you should be outside?
No, if you're outside, all the pieces are gonna hit you.
Yeah, but if you're out inside, all the pieces are gonna hit you.
No, because there's shelter and they're not gonna...
Well, look. The roof has already fell.
Not all of it.
Almost all.
Oh, do you know the best place to be in the corners? So go in the farthest right. Like, yeah, right there.
I want to look at the window. What?
Oh, it's over here. See it?
Oh my.
What the?
Okay, one away. It's their turn.
Oh, I know the best strategy.
I'm gonna turn.
I know the best
I'm gonna
strategy.
time out.
The best strategy is to go on the volcano.
That's impossible.
Why are people on it? See people. Oh, people. Oh, I got hit by one. Go in the corner. What are you thinking? Oh no, we're lost. Where are you? Are you hiding from me?
No, I'm looking outside.
Somebody lost their arm. I'm about to lose an arm. Oh, I see you. Dude,
Yeah. Wait, where am I?
you're the second.
Yeah.
I'm the fourth.
I'm better than Sawyer.
No, it doesn't go the best.
Actually, I heard it did. Actually, so how come I'm still down here? What?
I saw you.
I'm a hacker. People, I want to pull up my screen.
Where are you? Get the go-karts. Oh, no. Not again. Oh, I'm going to go on this. I'm going to go on the boat.
It's going to be like Nuclear Wayne. Get in shelter.
Oh, no.
I bet it's going to be Nuclear Wayne. I'm in shelter.
How would it even be nuclear rain?
Sawyer! Oh, I thought I saw
Oh, I see you. I'm hiding from you. I'm right.
Where are you?
No looking at my screen. Blizzard!
I knew it would be.
Find shelter. Where's the best shelter, though?
Oh, in the corner.
Oh, I see it.
You can't go outside.
Go in the big house. I just made it in. Everybody's in here. It's a party.
How do you get in?
I went through a window.
I went through the front door.
Hello.
If you
I'm a hacker. Why do you keep putting things in my trash?
Cause.
What's new? Put my chapstick in there.
How do you spell party?
I don't know.
I just spelled it wrong. How do you...
Don't.
I think all this... Where are you? People are on you. Hey. Wait, the roof is coming off. Sawyer, let me get on you. I hopped out the... Wait, glitches. Sawyer, I glitched out. I barely survived.
How much people
survive? We're lucky. We have big names. I didn't get trapped outside again with all the other losers. Except I wasn't.
You were a loser because he's saying they're a loser.
No, I wasn't. Party place.
Oh, I love this map.
I'm gonna try to hack, so I'm gonna be.
Same map. I actually know how to hack, but I never do it.
Sawyer's a hacker.
I'm just kidding.
He's a hacker. He's
I was just kidding.
Hacker with a smile.
Well, I know how to hack on one game. Your brother taught me.
Hey, you just said my...
Your brother.
Yeah, that's not... Oh yeah, and guys, we're now in high school because it's totally been a year since we were in middle. Right, Sawyer? Right?
No.
Yeah? Where are you? I need to get on this boat.
Dude, oh no. Don't go on there. It's bad luck.
Fire.
Keep distance from the fire. Okay, we're just gonna do some dodging.
Dodging left, right, and center.
We should go like that. Okay, go. Let's go up the ladder.
That's where I'm going.
Jump off.
Why?
Because I want you to. Let me get up here.
No, I'm not jumping off. Somehow I'm surviving. What? Even though, well, if I was alive, and then he killed me.
Where is the fire anyway? I think it's right now glitching for me because I cannot see the fire.
Can they see?
Like, dude, seriously, where is the fire?
The fire and the fame. Woo!
Dude, seriously, where is it?
There's no fire.
I know.
I'm kidding, it's on.
No, it isn't.
I see you.
I'm
I see
jumping.
you, you're jumping.
I know.
You're next to the fountain.
Da-da.
Do you see me?
Yeah. Wait, no, but I'm gonna jump on the person.
Yep. Now I can't see you.
Look out the person.
Sawyer, why wouldn't you let me on the sailboat?
It's unlucky.
No, it isn't. Not in the fire.
I know. You're one of the survivors.
No, I should have been. Because it killed me for no reason.
Why would it kill you for no reason?
Because I'm a winner.
What time is it?
Guys, when we're recording this, by this point, it's 4:28 and 35 seconds ago.
Last one, and then we're gonna go. Because
I think I dislike
this is gonna be way too long, guys.
How much is it? How long is it?
You can skip the parts when we're get in a car. That's the whole goal. I'm in a car.
Hey,
let's go. I'm in a car.
I'm gonna get in this car.
I'm in a green one.
I see you.
Dun, dun,
Then
dun, dun, dun,
damage,
dun.
damage.
I love the cars.
Oh
I love them. Remember?
I died by running in a car. By running into a car.
Wait, you died by running into a car?
I died.
Wait, what car? Show me.
I don't know. It was like red, I think. I didn't even survive to see.
Oh, it's an earthquake! I hate these things. Oh! What the heck?
What if you had? Wait, what? How come the world's upside down?
I flew out of the world.
Guys,
look at the world. It's like going.
It's in the air. The world. It's in the air.
Look at the part of the track. It's just.
Wait, where are you?
Everything's done.
So yeah, we need to do a revenge one. Wow. This.
Cool.
Oh my! That one nearly hit us. I can't jump while you're on. If I see a survivor, I'm gonna die. In real life, I'm gonna literally die. How? That guy. I found a hacker.
I know how to do something to get free Robux, but it's a bad thing to do.
Wait, because his dad is a roblox person.
Well, I know a bunch of hacks, but I never do them. Like I know how to get free Robux.
Most people do know how to do that, like me.
You don't know how to.
I don't know how to.
Ah!
How did people?
What? Yo, I'm a hacker.
How did people survive?
That's what I'm wondering. Okay, that's the end of today's video.
No, we need to do one more.
No, we cannot.
We died instantly.
Okay, goodbye, guys.
No.
Okay.
Bye.
I'll say your name if you don't forget. Goodbye, Sky Tower.